mountainside, halfway to China. I think I would fit right